Hi everyone, welcome to the PySpark for Data Engineering series videos. So today we are going to study about the data cleansing and null handling in PySpark. So let's start. So first of all, as we start our all the videos by starting a PySpark session. So let's write a code to start a PySpark session. So PySpark, from PySpark import.sql import Spark session. Okay, then this one will be our uh, day 9 video. So we'll write spark session dot builder dot app name. It will be our day 9. So we'll write day 9 data cleansing. Okay, data cleaning dot get or create. Okay, so this is how our spark session will be created. Now in data cleaning, yeah, so in data cleaning we will be seeing now how to handle dataset with null values, how to identify null values, how to drop rows containing null values, and how to drop rows with null in specific columns. These are the things which we will be first checking, practically doing, and after that we will be doing replacing null values with some different values like unknown and anything. Okay, so let's start. So before to that, we will create a small sample dirty dataset. So let's create a dataset. So our dataset will be having ID, name, then department, then the salary. Okay. So let's keep it 4 rows, 4 records. We'll add some null values. Okay. Just will change the salary. Yeah. So this is our dataset. Now the columns are okay. So this is our dataset. How we will create it as a data frame. So df equals to spark dot create data frame. We will provide the rows and columns. Okay, let's do df dot show. So now what we will see the output. Here it is the output, and we can see we have some null values in multiple different columns or records. Okay. So first of all, how we can identify the null values? Okay, to identify the null values, so we have to write df dot filter, then df dot dpt dot is null, and then dot show. So for department column, it will show which record is having department as null. So here you can see in our dataset, the second record is having department null values. Okay, so it finds rows where the department is null. Okay, how we can drop records containing null values? So let's say we have to drop rows which have null values. So we will write df dot drop na. Okay, and that's it. We'll do so. So here you can see we will get all the records where the values are null got deleted. So the record second and third, here we have null and here we have null, it got removed. Okay, that's how we can remove records with null values. Okay, now if we have to drop rows with null values in a specific column, how we can do? So drop records where null in specific column. Okay, so we'll write df dot drop na, then the bracket we have to write subset equals to the subset. Let's say I want to drop where salary is null, so I'll just write salary. Okay, dot so it will drop records where salary is null. See, we got third row is dropped because third row the salary was null. Okay, now what if we want to replace values? Replace null values. Okay, so to replace null value in PySpark we have fillna. Okay, so we'll write df dot fillna. Okay, and let's say we want to replace department, where department is null we will keep it as unknown. Let's do dot so. Okay, over here I need to write something. This should come in this, where department is null, then it should come as unknown. Okay, that's it. So you can see the department was null, now it is unknown. If we want to replace multiple columns, so what we will do is copy this shape. Let's paste it here, and in the first, so we'll just put comma. I will write the second column as well. So salary, I want it to be replaced as 0. Okay, that's it. If we run this, you'll see salary is replaced to 0. Now if we want to remove the columns where all values are run a null, so what we have to do? Drop columns with all null. So let's create a dataset from PySpark SQL dot function import column, and we'll just add a new column there. Df2 equals to df dot with column. We'll add a column called bonus, and it will be nothing but zero value. Okay. Okay. So we have our second data frame. No, sorry. Now it will run. Okay. Now we have df2. Let's see df2 first. Sorry, df2 dot show. Here we have bonus as 0. Okay. Now I want to remove drop. I want to drop bonus column. So how I will do df2 dot drop column name bonus dot show. See, it dropped the bonus column. So these are the simple things which we should do when we have to clean the data set, the basic cleaning. And mostly null handling is the critical part in ETL, and fill NA prevents data loss. Drop NA used when data is incomplete, and we should always validate before cleaning. So today we learned how to detect null values, how to remove rows with missing data, how to replace null values, and perform basic data cleaning in PySpark. In the next video, we will learn how to filter data using filter and where conditions. Thanks everyone. Thanks for joining today's session. Thank you. Bye bye.